I'm very happy to come here because he has invited me. So many madrasa for Fatima madrasa they're taking from the 30 years. कितने लोगों को गरीब के लिए इसके लिए औरत आगे बढ़ना कर को कोशिश कर को कितने के लिए फ्री एजुकेशन फ्री अरबी classes advocate nurse training everything he is giving really adds up to him and his family because they are giving me such a education because it's very important for the especially for the Muslim girls it is very important for education. If the education is there means she can achieve anything. Without education also she achieved many things. If in this India what is going on everything we know in the politicals because always they will speak against of the Muslims and that too if they'll come girls the women they'll come out means 101 thing they'll speak because of the scoff talak zee so many things whatever it is comes from the RSS they will take only about the Muslims. That too you know what is going on in Karnataka because of the isab they should not pay, they should not go for schools, so they need education because you know very well in Indian we are there in the Muslim people was there in the more than 66%, but they're not showing. Why means the Muslims should not come forward. So they are giving good, very good educations, very this thing. Even I have a trust, even we have in the Karnataka, I'm a work board director and KRCMC Foundation chairman, even whatever we can do, who was not getting education, even we can help for them to forward, and who's not getting anything, we can give for them girls tailoring classes and nurse trainings. So many things is there to learn. If one lady learns means she can carry out whole family.